Hey guys, welcome to our channel RudraVed. Today we have brought you another 5-minute workout, and today we are destroying biceps. So the rule is simple: 45 seconds of exercise followed by 15 seconds of break. Total 1 minute. 5 exercises. 1 into 5. 5 minutes complete. Okay. So get ready. All you need is just 2 dumbbells and of course your hands. Okay. So we are starting in 3, 2, and 1. Start. First exercises, biceps curl, alternate. Keep your body straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Simple. Do as many reps as you can. Do it in a controlled form and relax. Next exercise is concentration, hammer curls. We are starting in 5 seconds. We're gonna start. Extend your leg like this and do hammer curl. You can do it like this for extra support. Switch sides. Relax. You can extend your arm, you can relax your arm, you can do it like this. We are starting and again, start. Next exercise is inward curl. You would do it like this. One. You see, you do it inward like this. This is important. It's basically twisting. You are twisting your hand and biceps. Otherwise, you have done it like this. See, this is important. Because when you go up, your hand slightly get rotated. Otherwise, it have been like this. Okay. Keep in mind. Okay. 3 seconds left. And relax. Okay. Fourth exercise is front lift curl. Again, you can extend your arms. Start. Front lift curl. You will lift, you will curl, return, and back. Okay. Relax. Now the last exercise is the arch body curl. Start. Simply arch your body and shoulder straight and do it like this. But don't do it like this. Do it like this only. See, this is important here. You will fix everything and here your elbows will go backward. Like this, okay? See, elbows will adjust. Keep an arch. Don't do it like this. Shoulder blades like this. We are almost done. 2 seconds. Relax. And we are done with our 5 minutes biceps workout. Okay. See you in the next video. Jai Shri Ram.